Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 9, Chapter number 4, Construction of Triangles. Earlier we studied construction of triangle when its base and angle adjacent to the base and the sum of the lengths of the remaining sides is given. Today we are going to construct triangles when base and adjacent angle to the base and the difference between the remaining sides is given. So we will move on to practice set 4.2. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ equal to 7.4 cm, angle XYZ equal to 45 degree and XY minus XZ equal to 2.7 cm. First, we will draw a rough figure of triangle XYZ where YZ and angle Y is given. Then, we will start constructing the main figure. First, we will draw YZ equal to 7.4 cm. Now with the help of the protractor, we will mark the point angle Y equal to 45 degree. Join the mark with point Y. Now as angle Y is given and the difference between XY and XZ is given, so in compass we will take the distance 2.7 cm. And one end of compass we will keep on point Y and mark the arc on angle 45. This point will be point D. Now join DZ. Now we have to bisect segment DZ. So take in compass more than half distance of DZ and from point D, from above and top, make arc with the same distance from point Z. Again make arc intersecting to the first arc. Mark the intersection of the two arcs and join both the arcs. The point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of DZ and ray YD is marked as point X. Now join XZ. Now we will move on to the next example. Construct triangle PQR such that QR equal to 6.5 cm, angle PQR equal to 40 degree and PQ minus PR equal to 2.5 cm. First draw rough figure for triangle PQR. Now draw QR equal to 6.5 cm. Now draw angle Q equal to 40 degree with the help of the protractor. Join mark with angle Q. Now as angle Q is given and difference between PQ and PR is given, hence in the compass we will take the distance of 2.5 cm and from point Q on the ray of 40 degree we will mark one arc which will be the point D. Now join D and R. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of DR. So for that, take in compass more than half distance of DR. One end of compass will be on point D and make the arc above and down of dr. With the same distance from point R, make the arc intersecting to the previous arc. Now join both the point of intersection of arcs, which is perpendicular bisector of dr. Now point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of dr and ray QD is point P. Now join PR. Now we will move on to question number 3 of practice set 4.2. Construct triangle ABC such that BC equal to 6 cm, angle ABC equal to 100 degree and AC minus AB equal to 2.5 cm. First we will draw a rough figure of triangle ABC. BC equal to 6 cm. With the help of the protractor, mark angle B as 100 degree. Now join the mark with point B. Extend the angle below BC. Now in this example, angle B is given and difference between AC and AB is given. Therefore, we will take in compass the measurement of their difference, that is 2.5 cm below BC on the angle of ray 100 degree, which is point D. Now join DC. Now to get the point A, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of DC. So take the more than half measurement and make the arcs above and below of DC from point D and C. Join the intersection of both the arcs. The intersection point of perpendicular bisector of DC and ray DB is point A. Now join AC. Now we will take one solved examples from the book. Construct triangle ABC in which side BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 40 degree and AC minus AB equal to 3 cm. Now first we will draw rough figure of triangle ABC. Now first we will draw side BC equal to 7 cm. Now angle B equal to 40 degree. Extend this angle towards the downward side of BC. Now as angle B is given and difference between AC and AB is given, hence we will take the distance of 3 cm in compass. And from point B, we will mark point D towards the downward direction. Student, this is little bit different from first two examples. Now we have to join DC. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of DC. So take more than half distance of DC. Keep one end of compass on point D and mark the arc above and below of DC. With the same distance, again mark the arc from point C above and below of DC. Mark the intersection of the arc and join this intersection of arcs. The intersection of perpendicular bisector of DC and ray DB is point A. Now join AC.